flashlight is made from anodized aluminium, what makes it durable and resistant to external factors. It comes in a suitcase along with various accessories. Manuals and instructions are written in English. The torch has 5 different light modes with luminosity level equal up to 1500 lumens in turbo mode. It also has a dual tactical switch and a pocket clip. It comes with an 18650 lithium-ion cell, but can be also powered by 2 CR123A batteries. In the box there are 3 filters that enable to change a light color. Additionally, the set contains an O-ring gasket and a lanyard, a battery charger, a remote pressure switch, a gun mount with a hex key, and a soft case for more convenient transportation.